What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm returning with another awesome recipe for you guys. We have some super crispy, oh so spicy fried shrimp, and we have some awesome honey sriracha drizzled right on top, guys. This is so delicious, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it out. So let's not waste no time. Let's get started. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients that we will be working with. Do not worry, everything will be down in the description box. So let's get started with this flour. On the screen I have listed what we're about to use to season this up proper. Go ahead and combine it into a bowl, get yourself a whisk, and get to whipping. Moving on to our binder, we have our 4 large eggs in a bowl. We're gonna add our hot sauce. We're gonna add in our seasoning blend. And for whatever reason, I started this without my milk here. Don't ask me why. I went ahead and started whisking and everything. And I'm like, hold up, where's the milk? So yes, I did not forget it entirely. We did end up adding the milk right here. All right, get that in there as well, mix everything up, and then we're gonna start to bread our shrimp and get this party started. All right, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but we're using about a ½ pound of some jumbo shrimp that is peeled and deveined with the tail on. So I'm gonna dump a handful into our binder here. I'm gonna shake off the excess. I'm gonna dump it in the flour. And then I'm gonna take these hands and get all that mixed up. Make sure all these shrimp are well coated up. Take them out, shake off the excess, dip them right back in that binder, shake off the excess, right back in that flour. All right, you're gonna do this until you have all your shrimp breaded up. You're gonna put them to the side and let them rest for a couple minutes to really make that coating stick to this shrimp. All right. So in my opinion, guys, this has the perfect level of heat. Not too spicy, not too mild. It's perfect, flavorful, oh so delicious. But if you're a little bit scared of the heat, you could kind of take out the cayenne and the red pepper flakes all together, you know what I mean, to bring that all the way down. You're not gonna really have much of any spice if you go ahead and do that. That's completely optional. But sometimes you need a little bit of heat in your life, you know what I mean? You gotta spice things up a bit, you know? Life gets a little boring, gotta spice it up, and that's what we're doing here, guys. And like I mentioned, you want these to kind of sit for a little bit to make sure that breading really sticks. And it's the perfect time right now to go ahead and start heating up your oil to 350 degrees. And that's enough time to let these sit and do their thing. So now that our oil is heated up, ready to go, we are going to drop in our shrimp. We're gonna let them cook for about, I would say, 4 to 5 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Some people will say that's too long, but for me, it came out absolutely perfect. All right, so go ahead and let it do its thing for that time frame until they're nice golden brown and looking oh so beautiful, guys. And you know we sped it up for you guys, so let's not keep you waiting. Look at this, guys. Look at this right here. Tell me these do not look beautiful. Tell me these do not look crispy. Because if you said any of those two, I say something wrong with you, all right? Because these, man, this is it right here. Like I always say, look how good they look, man. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. You're gonna absolutely love it. And the sauce that we're gonna drizzle on top, man, it just takes it to a whole nother stratosphere. I am trying to inform you. And this is our second batch incoming, because you do not want to overcrowd your grease, okay? So we did end up doing it in 2 separate batches. And for those who may be wondering what oil I use for frying, I love using peanut oil when it comes to frying. You may also ask, Jay, can I put this in the air fryer? You guys always have that question because you guys love utilizing your air fryer. Yes, you can, but with a much lighter breading. Maybe only flour it one time, very light, and you're gonna have to kind of spread with a little bit of oil as it's cooking, because in the air fryer it tends to look all dry and not pleasant if you're not spraying it with a little bit of oil here and there. And obviously you want to flip as you go along. So yeah, it can work in the air fryer if you wanted to. It's gonna take a little bit of effort, but you can get it done. So this is how you should be looking, fresh up out the oil, fresh up out the fryer. And if it ain't looking like this, please kindly send it all the way back to the ocean where it came from, because we don't want no part of it. All right, so now we're gonna get together our little bit of honey sriracha sauce. It's so simple, so easy, takes nothing. Equal parts honey, equal parts sriracha. I like to add a little bit more honey than sriracha to have that more, I want to have that sweetness pop, all right? And I'm just gonna pour it into our little squeeze bottle here. If you don't have one of these fancy contraptions, you could go ahead and drizzle this sauce with a spoon or whatever, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and top this off, and I'm just gonna drizzle it. I'm gonna drizzle it in slow-mo right on top of our shrimp, guys. Man, let's have a moment of silence for this beautiful shrimp right here, guys. My goodness, okay? And that honey sriracha, guys, it's a must. It just takes this to the next level right here, man. And my baby's over there chilling in the background, make a whole lot of noise. Don't mind them at all. Yeah, it is so good. So flavorful, so crispy. Honey sriracha coming through with a passion. With a passion. I'll try to let you know, guys. Man, it just adds so much to this dish. It's not overly spicy. You got a little hint of spice. It's just perfect, guys. Man, I cannot wait for you guys to try it out for yourselves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.